blonde hair flowing in the evening breeze, blue eyes sparkling, full of sweet teas. In that pretty yellow dress she loves to wear, chasing chickens without a care. Oh, my daughter, with laughter so bright, running around in that glowing light. The yellow dress fluttering, she's free as air, with her golden locks and eyes so fair. Down by the coop, she's quick on her feet, tiny bare toes skipping on the heat. Chickens clucking, scattering wide, she's got that innocent, joyous stride. Oh, my daughter, with laughter so bright, running around in that glowing light. Yellow dress fluttering, she's free as air, with her golden locks and eyes so fair. The evening falls, skies turn to dusk. She comes running, covered in dust. But in that dress she's still a queen. In her world of dreams she's always been. Bath time comes, she's weary now, but she still wears that dress somehow. I'll cherish these days and her endless spin before she's grown and chasing dreams again.